In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an Aged Receivables report in Odoo. To get started, open the Accounting app in Odoo. This is where you'll find the financial reporting tools needed to review customer balances and track unpaid invoices over time. Once you're inside the Accounting app, go to the top menu and click on Reporting. In the Reporting section, look under Partner Reports and select Aged Receivable. As soon as you click it, the Aged Receivable report will open automatically. This report is designed to help you understand how long customer receivables have been outstanding, which is especially useful for credit control, collections, and general cash flow monitoring. Next, click the As of Date filter and choose the date you want to report on. This is important because the report reflects receivables outstanding as of that specific date, not just what is currently open today. If you're preparing period-end reporting, make sure you select the correct cutoff date. You can then use Account Receivable to control which receivable accounts are included in the report. This is helpful if your system uses more than one receivable account and you want to narrow the results. You can also use the Partners filter if you only want to view receivables for specific customers instead of seeing the full customer list. After that, choose whether the aging calculation is based on due date. This setting affects how the balances are grouped into aging buckets, so it's useful when you want the report to reflect how overdue each invoice is according to its due date. Then set the aging period, such as 30 days. This determines the time intervals used to organize the outstanding balances. You can also enable posted entries to limit the report to posted accounting entries. This keeps the report focused on finalized transactions and helps ensure accuracy in official reporting. Now take a moment to review the aging columns. These typically include at date, 1 to 30, 3160, 6190, 91 to 120, and older. These columns show how long each receivable has been outstanding, making it easier to spot overdue balances and identify customers who may need follow-up. If you want more detail, click the arrow beside a customer to expand the line and review the underlying receivable entries. This lets you see the transactions contributing to the balance. Be sure to check the total column as well, since that shows the customer's overall outstanding receivable balance at a glance. When you're ready to print or export the report, click Print in the upper left corner to access the available report output options. That's how you generate and review an Aged Receivables report in Odoo.